Hello and welcome to my psychology video project in which I have chosen to talk about personality. During this video, I will explain why we are all different and why each of us have our own personality. Each day we meet, we talk, and we exchange with a lot of different but unique persons. But have you ever wonder why all people behave in a different way and have a different way of thinking? In fact, there are as many personalities in the world as there are people, and the differences among people are simply explained by their personality. The question is, what is personality exactly? As explained in the lecture, personality is simply an individual's characteristic patterns of thoughts, feelings, and behavior. In other words, it refers to the combination of characteristics and qualities that form an individual's distinctive character, or an individual's unique set of consistent behavioral traits. And that's why certain people are shy while some others are extroverts, sensitive, or even irritable. Moreover, the personality can explain the stability in a person's behavior over time and across situations, which is called consistency, or even explain behavioral differences among people reacting to the same situation, which is called distinctiveness. To better understand how personality is made and how it works, let's talk about the five factors model of personality. The five-factor model of personality has been launched by McCree and Costa, who are two famous psychologists, who argued that personality can be described adequately with the five higher-order traits, which are agreeableness, conscientiousness, openness to experience, extroversion, and neuroticism. But personality isn't that easy to understand. In fact, Freud divided personality structure into three components: ID, ego, and superego. Idea is the only component of personality that is present from birth. It refers to the pleasure principle and the primary process thinking. Ego is derived from the ID and ensures that the impulses from the ID can be expressed in a manner acceptable in the real world. The ego refers to the reality principle and the secondary process thinking. Superego holds the internalized moral standards we acquired from our parents and society. It refers to the moral imperatives. Okay, but is personality a biological factor or is it hereditary? Indeed, researchers have proved that biological factors have a great impact on personality. Also, by studying identical and fraternal twins, researchers have proven that personality is linked to biology. Indeed, identical twins show greater resemblances in personality than do fraternal twins, meaning that the personality is partly inherited. To continue, environmental factors help shape personality as well as cultural factors, meaning that your personality would not be the same if you were born in America or in Italy, for example, but also that you certainly have not the same personality if you were raised by another person than your parents. So, what we need to remind from this video is that personality is a combination of characteristics that form an individual's distinctive character, which can be explained through the five factors model. And whatever you do, your personality is in your DNA, but also shaped during your childhood and through your culture. Okay, so that's all for this chapter, and thank you for your time.